you've been doing random abs workouts from Instagram. You've held planks until your soul left your body, and still, no visible abs. So here's the truth. It's not that you can't get abs, it's that you're training them wrong. And for the next 14 days, I'm giving you a challenge that actually works. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact 2-week abs formula, the 3 types of exercises you must combine, the biggest mistake girls make while trying to get abs, and a 7-day starter plan you can begin today. If you follow this properly, your core will feel tighter within a week, and you'll start seeing visible changes by week 2. Let's build that waistline. Step 1. Understand this first. Abs are not just about exercises. You already have abs. The problem? They're hiding under a small layer of fat. So your plan needs 3 things: core training, fat burning, and clean eating. Miss 1, results slow down. Step 2. The 3 types of abs exercises. Most girls only do crunches. Wrong move. You need 1. Lower abs, focus, leg raises, reverse crunch, flutter kicks. Lower belly is stubborn. Train it directly. 2. Upper and deep core. Crunch variations. Toe touches, cable crunch, if gym. But here's the secret weapon. 3. Deep core / waist tightening planks. Side planks, dead bugs, vacuums holds. These tighten your waist and flatten your stomach. If you skip this, you'll never get that toned look. Step 3. The workout structure. Do this. Instead of random exercises, follow this structure. 3 lower ab moves, 2 upper ab moves, 2 deep core moves, 30 to 40 seconds each, 3 rounds. Total time, 20 minutes. That's it. No 1-hour torture. Step 4. Fat burning rule. If your body fat is slightly higher, abs won't show without calorie control. You don't need to starve. Just follow. No sugary drinks. Reduce junk. Protein in every meal. 8 to 10,000 steps daily. Walking is underrated. It works. Step 5. Recovery matter. Train abs 4 to 5 days per week, not 7. Abs are muscles. They need recovery to grow. More is not better. Smart is better. 4. Common mistakes. Let's talk about what usually ruins progress. Doing 200 crunches daily? That only works your hip flexors. Not eating enough protein. No protein equals no muscle definition. Only doing ab workouts. You also need overall fat burning. Comparing yourself to Instagram models. Lighting plus angles plus filters equals fake expectations. Focus on progress, not perfection. 5. 7-day action plan. Here's your starter challenge. Day 1. Full abs routine, 20 minutes, plus 8,000 steps. Day 2. Light cardio plus planks focus. Day 3. Full abs routine. Day 4. Rest or walking only. Day 5. Full abs routine plus add 5 minutes HIIT. Day 6. Lower abs focused workout. Day 7. Rest plus clean eating day. Repeat this cycle for week 2. By day 7, you'll feel tighter. By day 14, you'll see visible toning if you stay consistent. Consistency greater than motivation. If you're serious about this 14-day abs challenge, comment abs 14 below so I know you're in. Let's build strong, confident, unstoppable bodies together. See you in the next workout.